This isn't your typical high-end PC. It's the kind of machine that feels like it was built to sit between a consumer desktop and a full-scale production workstation cluster. The CLX Horus Creator Workstation brings together some of the most extreme hardware you can currently get in a single system. At its core is AMD's Ryzen Threadripper 9980X running at 3.2 GHz, paired with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5090. Alongside that, you get 256 GB of DDR5 ECC memory, a 4TB NVMe M.2 solid-state drive, and a 360mm liquid cooling system designed to handle sustained heavy loads. Everything runs on Windows 11 Pro inside a full-tower chassis built for airflow, stability, and non-stop performance. From the first boot, the experience is noticeably different from a typical high-end PC. There's no hesitation, no lag, and no sense of waiting for the system to catch up. It just loads everything instantly and stays responsive no matter how many applications are opened. In real-world creative workloads, that difference becomes even more obvious. Whether it's Adobe Premiere Pro, After Effects, Blender, or DaVinci Resolve, the system doesn't struggle with large projects or complex timelines. Even heavy 4K and 8K editing workflows feel smooth, with scrubbing, previewing, and exporting happening with minimal delay. The Threadripper 9980X is the foundation of that performance. Built for extreme multi-threaded workloads, it handles rendering, simulation, encoding, and parallel processing tasks without breaking momentum. Instead of hitting bottlenecks during demanding operations, the system continues processing efficiently across all cores. Backing that up is 256 GB of ECC DDR5 memory, which completely changes the way multitasking feels. Large project files, high-resolution assets, and multiple professional applications can all run at the same time without forcing the system into slowdowns or memory pressure. It's the kind of capacity that removes traditional workflow limits entirely. The RTX 5090 adds another layer of performance, especially for GPU-accelerated workloads. Real-time rendering, complex 3D scenes, AI-based tools, and advanced visual effects processing all benefit from its raw compute power. Tasks that once required long waiting times are now significantly faster, especially in creative software optimized for GPU acceleration. Thermal management is handled by a 360mm AIO liquid cooler, which keeps the CPU stable under long, sustained workloads. Even during extended rendering sessions or continuous heavy processing, performance remains consistent without noticeable throttling. The system isn't silent under full load, but it prioritizes stability over everything else, which is exactly what this class of machine requires. Storage is another key part of the experience. The 4TB NVMe SSD delivers extremely fast read and write speeds, which translates into quick boot times, near-instant application launches, and fast project loading. Large media files, cache data, and asset libraries move without delays, keeping the workflow smooth from start to finish. What really defines this workstation is not just peak performance, but sustained multitasking power. It's designed for users who don't run one heavy application at a time. Instead, you might be editing a video, rendering a 3D scene, and running AI processing tasks all simultaneously. The system is built to handle that kind of pressure without breaking consistency. Even everyday system responsiveness reflects that excess power. File navigation, software switching, and background processes feel instantaneous. Windows 11 Pro runs fluidly on this hardware, taking full advantage of the available resources without introducing lag or slowdowns. However, this is not a mainstream machine. It is not designed for casual users or even typical enthusiasts. It is built for professionals, video editors, 3D artists, engineers, AI developers, and anyone whose work depends on heavy computation and reduced rendering time. For most users, it is more power than they will ever need. But for professionals working under tight deadlines and complex workloads, that extra performance headroom is not wasted, it is essential. Ultimately, this system is not just about raw performance numbers. It is about removing delays from the creative process so that ideas can move from concept to output as quickly as possible. At this level, the hardware stops being the focus. The work becomes the focus.